Having the M3h as our new main printing machine has really made a big difference to our marketing offering to our customers, because it's got the quality, it's got the range of substrates, and it's an all-round fantastic printer.
The GS3250 LX Pro was by far our best purchase to date. It was the main printer in the business for over 7 years, at which point it became the backup to our H5. The bar was set high with what we wanted next, but adaptability of dealing with awkward substrates was key. The M3h is just that. It took all the best features of the GS and built on them. Since installing the M3h, we've seen efficiency improve dramatically because it requires less maintenance throughout the day. We're the first company in Europe to have the med kit. It basically consists of 5 skis that allow awkward media to make their way through the machine without causing any head crashes. Since we put the med kit in, we've managed to use stock that's been sat on our shelf for 5 years, doing nothing, ready to go in the bin, curled, dog-eared, and it's all gone through the med kit with no problems whatsoever. One of the deciding factors why we went for the M3h was the engineering support from EFI. It's second to none, and it's backed up by a great team back at CMYUK as well.
One of the things that attracted me to the M3h was not just its quality benefits and also the new substrates that it prints on for us. It was the low energy consumption, which really helped us with our sustainability and carbon zero targets. It came to my attention that we were driving 400,000 miles in diesel vans. So the first part of our sustainability plan was to convert diesel to electric vehicles. And then we decided to put the solar panels on the roof to charge those vehicles. But of course, the solar panels also charge all the machines within the building. And the net effect has been a win-win, because we're saving over £18,000 a year on our electricity bill, and our carbon footprint is more than halved. Well, this time last year I was very proud to introduce my daughter to the management team, and she started with the social media, and she has totally transformed our marketing offering. And it can't be any coincidence that last year, our 125th year, was probably our best year in our history. And also we have double-digit growth this year as well. And it's mainly thanks to all the leads that have been generated through the social media and the website. I think my great-grandfather would be really proud of us, and especially now that we're introducing the next generation. So that will be 5 generations of John E Wright, over 150 years perhaps. This is just a continuation of what we've been doing for 126 years. We started with the blueprint machine back in 1900, and now the M3h is just a natural progression for us.